On the off chance that you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and in a real sense need to know where the costs of Theta organization will go from now on. We will generally investigate the genuinely past costs of Theta organization and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you want to take this forecast and each really other expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable, or so they thought. Yet, we will make an honest effort. We should begin incredibly. Theta organization fundamentally past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the sort of current cost of Theta organization is $1.02, and Theta certainly is as of now position number 53 in the by and large whole crypto biological system, or so they thought. The dissemination supply of Theta organization is 1 billion with a market cap of $1,022,250,230. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been really diminished by 0.43% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Theta with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Theta organization is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. The Theta is down to nearly 2.69% over the most recent 7 days, which is very critical. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for essentially beyond couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have areas of strength for genuinely, however. We don't believe that it would a productive resource and momentary incredibly. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta diminished by 15.166%, disposing of an astounding really normal amount of 18 cents from its ongoing worth incredibly. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is around 17.34%, and the cost commonly circled from an extremely least sort of typical cost of 84 cents to greatest normal cost of 87 cents in the beyond 90 day. In every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In most recent 4 months, Theta organization has shown a developing pattern incredibly. Accordingly, we feel that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, or so they thought. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin is up by 17.15%, with the greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin was around $1.13 and the base typical value of was around 94 cents in beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. We foresee future Theta organization cost expectations. A figure by applying certainly profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Theta organization. We give a valiant effort to gather truly most extreme verifiable information for the Theta coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Theta organization market cap, Theta organization volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to sort of peruse our forecast. Theta organization value expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2023, the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.14. The Theta organization value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $1.34 with the really normal exchanging worth of $1.18 in USD. Theta organization value expectation 2024 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Theta organization by and large is supposed to especially reach at the very least value worth of $1.70. The Theta cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.02 with the typical worth of $1.76. Theta value gauge for 2025, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of $2.42 in 2025. The Theta organization cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $2.98 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of $2.51 all through 2025. Theta organization value expectation 2026, the cost of Theta organization especially is anticipated to reach at in every way that really matters least degree of $3.42 in 2026, which basically is genuinely critical. The Theta organization cost can in every practical sense arrive at a greatest degree of $4.28 with the typical cost of $3.54 all through 2026. Amazingly, Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. Theta Organization Value sort of is figured to arrive at a most minimal truly conceivable degree of $5.11 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the theta cost could generally arrive at an in every way that really matters. Greatest conceivable degree of $6.09 with the typical gauge cost of $5.25. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2028, the cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to especially reach at any rate level of $7.37. The theta cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $8.79 with the typical exchanging cost of $7.63. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. Theta Organization cost is conjectured to by and large arrive at an outright most reduced conceivable degree of $10.81 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the theta cost could generally arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $12.84 with the in every practical sense normal figure cost of $11.19, which in a real sense is very critical. Theta Organization Value Conjecture 2030. The cost of Theta Organization is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $15.86 in 2030, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Theta Organization cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $19.19 with the typical exchanging cost of $16.42 all through 2030, which is genuinely huge. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2031 as per our truly profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2031, the cost of Theta Organization is really anticipated to by and large reach at least degree of $21.69. The theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $27.01 with the typical exchanging cost of $22.51, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2032. The cost of one Theta Organization is supposed to sort of reach at the very least degree of $31.49 in 2032. The theta cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $37.66 with the typical cost of $32.39 all through 2032. In a significant manner, what sort of is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at $1.02 with the market cap of $1,022,250,230. Amazingly, how truly much will Theta Organization really be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Theta Organization will have a base cost of $6.09 and a fundamentally greatest cost of $5.11 per Theta. Since Theta Organization is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates radically. How much does Theta Organization cost in 2024? Amazingly, the cost of Theta Organization will increment as additional financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2024, Theta Organization will be certainly worth about a normal cost of $1.76. What amount will Theta Organization sort of be somewhat worth in 2030? As far as value, Theta Organization has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that Theta will increment in esteem, or so they certainly thought, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business